using properties of exponents. Okay, so these are a little bit different than the last video, but what is in parentheses here is going to be squared, both parts. So I have the negative 1.5 squared. Now since it's got a decimal, it might help you to go negative 1.5 in the parentheses raised to the second power, or you can hit the squared, either one, and that is a positive 2.25. And then the y is also squared, so we've got positive 2.25 y squared. Now this 3 is affecting the a, the numerator, and the denominator. So a raised to the third power, a cubed, and then on the bottom, negative 10 cubed. Well, negative 10 cubed means that I have 10 times 10 times 10, and it's a negative 10 times a negative 10 times a negative 10, which is a negative 1,000. So a cubed will be over negative 1,000. And you can put the negative out in the front and the middle. Okay, this 4 is affecting every term here. So that's 3 to the 4th times d to the 4th over 2 to the 4th. 3 to the 4th, that is 3 raised to the 4th power, 81. Over 2 to the 4th, 2 raised to the 4th is 16. And then make sure you check and that nothing will go into 81 and 16. Since he's odd and he's even, and I can't think of anything that will go into it, it may already be simplified. I think that it is. Now, there's one thing I have forgotten, though. That d was also raised to the 4th power, so I have to make sure to include it. All right, now I have this all being affected by the negative 5. Remember, you're using the reciprocal, so just flip it over. Put the 3 over 2x, and then let them both be affected by a positive 5. So 3 to the 5th, 3 raised to the 5th is 243 in the numerator. 2 to the 5th, 2 raised to the 5th is 32, x to the 5th. So 243 over 32x to the 5th. He's odd, he's even. And you have to think about it a little bit to see is there any numbers that will go into both of those. If not, you will be simplified at that point. Now on this one, it is a negative 3, so let's put a 1 over 10y, and then that will make it a positive 3. So we're not supposed to have a negative in the exponent. And so 1 cubed is 1, and 10 cubed is 1,000 y cubed. It's just going to have 3 zeros. And when you have 10 raised to the 3rd. And then on this one, the 1 is raised to the 5th. 1 to the 5th is 1. And then 2 to the 5th, we already did 2 to the 5th somewhere. What was that, 32? And then k squared raised to the 5th. You have a power raised to a power, you multiply them. So 2 times 5 is 10. Okay.